So I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, which I'm certain. I breathe a life that's full. I travel rich, and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it's true, without extension. I found each starter course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I dreamed you, that I belonged more than I could do. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I've loved and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he done? If not himself, then he has none to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of his. The record shows I took the blows, and did it my way. Yeah.